Hi, this is Kathy. Today I'm going to do a video about gut health. We're going to learn so much about the gut and how it relates to almost every other process in our bodies. Now, I'm not here to diagnose anything. I'm not a doctor. I'm just going to give you some information that I've learned from various sources, but mostly from a pharmacist, Lindsey Elmore. Well, let's get started. I don't know about you, but I've been hearing an awful lot about gut health lately. In order to care for ourselves, we must care for what is in our gut. We need to clean out waste and be sure that we have plenty of good bacteria in our gut. Believe it or not, the bacterial cells inside the gut outnumber our human cells by 10 times. That's quite a bit. And the genes encoded by the bacteria in the gut outnumber our genes by more than 100 times. We are actually more bacteria than we are human. These gut microbes are referred to as gut microbiome, and its role in both health and disease has been the subject of extensive research. I've been hearing so much about microbiome. Have you? The microbiome is involved with our metabolism, nutrition, physiology, and immune health. I've been also hearing that it affects your brain health as well. Let's take a look at how to clean out the gut and make room for more healthy bacteria, and then we'll take a look at products that can help rebuild and replenish the gut microbiome. There are critical elements that the gut needs to clean out excess waste, unlock nutrition from food, and make good poops, and that would be fiber, water, digestive enzymes, and propulsion. Digestive enzymes are responsible for the breakdown of food into absorbable nutrients. Without absorbable nutrients, we cannot get the nutrition that we need out of foods. Digestive enzymes are naturally produced by the pancreas and gut, but they are quickly depleted by our diet, especially cooked processed foods, illness, exercise, and hot and cold temperatures. Plus, enzyme levels drop with age and excretion increases, so supplementation is important. And I've noticed this myself as I've gotten older that it's harder for me to digest my food, and the doctor told me that maybe I need to take some digestive enzymes. Okay, let's talk about fiber. Fiber plus water helps to normalize bowel movements. Dietary fiber increases the weight and size of your stool and softens it. Also, fiber plus water helps to maintain your bowel health. When food is moving out of the body, there is less buildup of waste in the GI tract. Fiber plus water helps to control blood sugar levels by helping you feel fuller longer. And fiber plus water helps to achieve healthy weight. All right, let's talk about propulsion. In order for the gut to push stool out of the body, you must have a sequential muscle movement known as peristalsis. This muscle movement occurs naturally, but sometimes we need a bit of a boost from a stimulant. However, we don't want to use a stimulant too long because it increases the risk of constipation once we stop using it. When the body is out of balance and doesn't have enough fiber, enzymes, and water, it can lead to bizarre and seemingly unrelated symptoms such as brain fog, headaches and mood swings, joint and myofascial pain, weight gain, cardiovascular disease, inflammatory bowel disease or IBD, irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and sensitivities or allergies to foods and the environment. And that's kind of like how I felt. I felt like I have gotten more sensitive to food and possibly have some food allergies. Before we can worry about repopulating the gut with good bacteria, we first need to clean out buildup of waste materials. Young Living offers the cleansing trio to help with this process. And the reason I'm talking about Young Living products is because I'm a Young Living distributor and I've been educated about the supplements from a pharmacist's point of view. The cleansing trio includes ICP, Essentialzyme, and Comfortone. Let's talk about Essentialzyme. Essentialzyme is a bi-layered multi-enzyme complex caplet formulated to support digestive health and stimulate overall enzyme activity. Although Young Living offers 5 different digestive enzyme options, Essentialzyme is the only product that contains pancrelipase and pancreatin. Pancrelipase is a digestive enzyme produced by the pancreas, and it helps to break down complicated fats and proteins into digestible bits. It is also the only product that contains betaine hydrochloride. One of the reasons that we may suffer after a meal is because we have too little acid in the stomach. Betaine hydrochloride helps to put acid in your stomach when you need it the most. This is why Essentialzyme should be taken before a meal. It also contains broad-spectrum enzymes that break down proteins, peptides, fats, and indigestible plant protein. To use Essentialzyme, take 1 tablet 3 times daily, 30 minutes to 1 hour before meals. Essentialzyme contains tarragon, peppermint, anise, fennel, and clove essential oils. This is an animal-based product, so it may not be suitable for people who choose to avoid animal products. There may be cow or pig enzymes inside Essentialzyme. The cleansing trio is not set in stone, so you can easily supplement with Allerzyme or Detoxzyme, which are vegetarian digestive enzymes. Comfortone is a natural herbal-based colon cleanser that includes an advanced mix of pure essential oils. It supports peristalsis and the elimination of waste products and gases. This is not a first date kind of supplement. I recommend taking it at night so that you can experience the effects of Comfortone first thing in the morning. To use Comfortone, take 1 to 3 capsules 3 times a day and drink at least 8-ounce glasses of distilled water for best results. You will notice a difference when you take Comfortone, so go gently at first. Do not use Comfortone for longer than it is recommended, as the gut can become dependent on it to function. I don't recommend that pregnant women take Comfortone because of the cascara in the supplement. This herb increases peristalsis and may increase the risk for preterm labor. Also, cascara is a very black herb, and a known side effect of Comfortone is that it can turn the stool black. This is important to note, especially for anyone who is taking blood-thinning medicine. They may have been taught that black stool is a sign of internal bleeding, but that is not true when it comes to Comfortone. This slide depicts the herbs and essential oils that make up Comfortone. You can see here that cascara is not the only herb. There is also fiber from psyllium, bayberry, and burdock root, and absorbable materials like bentonite clay and diatomaceous earth. Because Comfortone contains echinacea, it is not recommended for anybody taking immune-suppressing drugs, as this herb is known to bolster and fortify the immune system. Some women who are pregnant choose to avoid essential oils like peppermint, fennel, anise, and mugwort. This is another reason that pregnant women should avoid Comfortone unless under the direct supervision of a physician. ICP is a blend of soluble and insoluble fibers, essential oils, and digestive enzymes. This supplement scours residues from the intestines, decreases buildup of waste, improves nutrient absorption, and helps to maintain overall digestive health. To use ICP, mix 2 teaspoons with 8 ounces of juice or water. Use 3 times daily while cleansing. Pretty simple. ICP contains a blend of 7 different fibers that aid digestion and elimination. Some of these fibers are soluble and some are insoluble. Soluble fibers absorb water in the gut and create larger poops. Insoluble fibers do not absorb water, but instead act like scrub brushes as they move through the system. This helps to clean the lining of the colon as they pass through. Additionally, ICP contains digestive enzymes that break down fats, proteins, peptides, and release phosphorus from foods. It also contains essential oils that further support proper digestive health. As I mentioned earlier, some pregnant women choose to avoid fennel and anise while pregnant. If so, this is not the perfect supplement for her. Now that we have cleared out the gut, let's talk through 3 products that can help support the bacterial balance in the gastrointestinal tract. I have a lot to say about Life 9. To start, it promotes healthy digestion, supports gut health, helps maintain normal intestinal function, and supports a healthy immune system. Life 9 is something that I use every night. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it right now. It is a delayed release probiotic that contains 17 billion live cultures from 9 different bacteria strains, which you can see on the side. I cannot pronounce these 9 bacterial strains. I'm sorry, but they're there and they're good for you. Probiotics effectively repopulate the gut, enabling it to perform optimally and restoring balance to the digestive system. Billions of bacteria inhabit our gut. The purpose of good bacteria is to aid digestion by breaking down our meals into absorbable nutrients. The task seems easy enough, but modern toxins, overly processed foods, daily stress, and antibiotics can deplete and/or damage good bacteria, harming the digestive process along the way. The combination of lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium species ensures that the entire gastrointestinal tract is populated with bacteria. Some of the first benefits people experience from probiotics are better digestive function, better poops, or less gas. But when the gut has proper balance of bacteria, there are positive implications for the whole body. The relationship between probiotics and the immune system is still being researched. However, studies have shown that consumption of probiotics supports the immune system. Proper digestion allows for absorption of micronutrients, which are needed to strengthen the immune system. To use Life 9, take 1 capsule every evening as far away from other supplements as possible. Life 9 is vacuum packed into an absorbent packet that helps protect bacteria in transit. It should be refrigerated after the bottle is opened. It is not recommended to open capsules as this destroys the delayed release action. Probiotics are not recommended for people with serious medical conditions, such as those who are severely immunosuppressed, have pancreatitis, are in the ICU, have blood in the stool, have a central venous catheter, infants with short bowel syndrome, or those who have open wounds following major surgery. These populations should not use Life 9 unless under the direct supervision of a physician. Kids Sense Mighty Pro is also a probiotic supplement formulated with Ninja wolfberry fiber, a naturally occurring prebiotic. Prebiotics are food for good bacteria to eat. It produces healthy bacteria in the colon. Mighty Pro contains 8 billion live bacteria. Bifidobacterium infantis is considered by some people to be the best probiotic for children. This one is a powder formula labeled for use in children and adults over the age of 2. The powder supplement does not require refrigeration and comes in easy to transport sachets. In fact, I know a lot of adults who take this supplement with them when they go out of town because it's more difficult to take the Life 9 because it has to be refrigerated. Kids love this sweet and tasty formula. You can just give them a packet or open it for them and it will dissolve right in their mouth. You can add it to food or drink, and it can even be combined with cold food or drinks, but should not be added to warm or hot food or drinks. While this product is great for children, it is not safe for animals, especially dogs. Do not give this probiotic to your dogs, please. Last but not least, we have Master Formula. Master Formula is a daily multivitamin that naturally supports health and well-being. It is different from most multivitamins because it contains prebiotics that feed the beneficial microorganisms in the gut. It also contains antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body. This supplement includes food-based nutrients and is vegetarian friendly, and it contains no preservatives, artificial stimulants, or artificial flavors. This is an excellent companion product to Life 9 since Life 9 is just a probiotic supplement and does not contain any prebiotics. Okay, that's all, folks. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to get those answers out to you as soon as possible. As I mentioned earlier, this content is from pharmacist Lindsey Elmore. If you'd like more information about Lindsey, let me know, and I can send you links to her videos and to her website. Thanks. Bye.